Today's video is brought to you by Preve Anthony, providing the best athleisure and compression wear. This Thanksgiving, they're having a flash sale, 30 to 40% off everything, starting November 13th through November 28th. Free shipping on all purchases over $90. Just go to www.priveanthony.com to get your wear. Welcome on YouTube. I know it's been a long while. I haven't done any videos. But today, it's Sunday. So guess what? I'm going to invite in a typical Sunday dinner preparation, Jamaican style, as some say yardman style. Today we have a cook typical Jamaican Sunday dish, rice and peas. And as a Jamaican on Sundays, we always try to cook more than one meat kind. So today, I'll keep it simple. As you said, simplicity. We're going to have some fish. That I want to make coconut fish. Yeah, get that right. Coconut steamed fish. And also we have some chicken. We're going to make simple, some curry chicken.
In the island of Jamaica,
So to get the ball rolling, we'll cut up some chicken to make some curry chicken. Now I'll go ahead and clean the chicken already. Washed it. Now I'm going to strip this and get it cut to small portions, also as curry sizes. For me, I don't like my curry them too chunky. I like them bite size. So we're going to take off the skin, get it ready, and see how small we can get it. So we're boiling the peas. Put the peas in the water. Add a little. I put 3 cloves of garlic. Peas almost cooked. Alright, so how I do my curry. First thing first, I like to add some garlic. Garlic to the pot with some oil. That should be it. And if you notice, I haven't even cut up any ground seasoning yet. Just only powder seasoning. Then I have a little curry to the oil. This will give it the official color of what I'm looking for. Curry, bright and pretty. You don't want to add a lot of curry, because when some people cook curry and it's grainy. See that? Then just try to get it dissolved and burn for a little before adding the chicken. When the oil is hot, then I put in the chicken, slightly burn them a bit, not scorch them burn, but just to get the curry burnt out a little bit more. Then I add the rest of my seasoning and cook that. Add my chicken and piece by piece. I want to get that nice color. You can see the color start coming already. Don't have my fire on too high, because you know you don't really want to burn the chicken now. You notice I'm putting them one by one. Really want to get the color even. Everybody have their own way to cook curry. Man cook it to how they were taught, or according to their desire, their taste. But cooking curry for such a long time, you start to experiment. Oh, you can get curry a different look, different flavor. So there it is. There you have my color coming in already. Not ready to cook down as yet. Color coming in.
Jamaican.